Friends, welcome back to AutoDrive Motion. Today, we're not just talking about a car. We're delving into a legend, a beast that redefines what we thought was possible with four wheels and an engine. We're going to talk about the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD, a machine that, despite its name, is far more than just a Mustang. It's a combat vehicle in civilian clothing, a track weapon born from the crucible of endurance racing, and a testament to American engineering prowess. Forget everything you thought you knew about road-legal performance cars, because the GTD tears up that rulebook and throws it out the window. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit and understand the genesis of this incredible machine. The story of the GTD isn't just about building a faster Mustang. It's about pushing boundaries, taking lessons learned from the track, and injecting them directly into a street-legal vehicle. This isn't some marketing gimmick or a fancy trim level. The GTD is, at its core, a direct descendant of the Mustang GT3 race car, the very machine that's going to be battling it out on the world's most demanding circuits. Think about that for a moment. A race car, homologated for the street. That's a fundamentally different approach than simply making a powerful road car and then trying to turn it into a race car. No. Ford took the racing DNA, the very essence of what makes a GT3 car a winner, and meticulously engineered it for the road. The development process for the GTD was shrouded in secrecy, a clandestine operation much like a top-secret military project. Why? Because what they were creating was so radical, so unprecedented, that they needed to perfect it away from prying eyes. This wasn't a project for the faint of heart or those who adhered to traditional automotive manufacturing norms. It was a blank slate approach, a challenge to their engineers to build the ultimate track weapon that could also be driven to the grocery store, albeit with a lot more drama. The goal wasn't just to make it fast, it was to make it dominant, to make it uncompromising. They focused on every single detail, from the aerodynamics to the suspension, from the weight distribution to the materials used. It was an exercise in extreme engineering, driven by a singular vision: to create something truly extraordinary. And extraordinary it is. So what exactly is the purpose of the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD? Well, at its heart, it's a purebred performance machine built for the track, but legal for the street. It's for the discerning enthusiast who craves the raw, unfiltered thrill of a race car, but still wants to drive it on public roads. It's for the person who understands that true performance isn't just about horsepower, but about the entire package: the balance, the grip, the braking, the aero, the sheer visceral connection to the road. It's a statement, a declaration of intent, saying that Ford is serious about performance and they're not holding anything back. It's also a halo car, a technological showcase that demonstrates Ford's engineering capabilities and pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a production vehicle. It serves as a test bed for future technologies, a way to develop and refine innovations that will eventually trickle down to other vehicles in their lineup. But most importantly, its purpose is to put a smile on your face, a genuine ear-to-ear grin that only a machine of this caliber can deliver. Let's talk features, because this is where the GTD truly sets itself apart. We're not talking about heated seats and a fancy infotainment system here, although it has those too. We're talking about features designed to extract every last ounce of performance. First, the body. It's a work of art, sculpted not just for aesthetics, but for extreme aerodynamic efficiency. You've got active aerodynamics, with a hydraulically controlled rear wing that adjusts its angle to optimize downforce for various speeds and conditions. There are massive vents and ducts everywhere, all serving a specific purpose: cooling the engine, brakes, and other vital components, and managing airflow to reduce drag and increase downforce. The hood, fenders, roof, and even parts of the floor are made from carbon fiber, all in the relentless pursuit of weight reduction. Every curve, every line, every vent has been meticulously designed and tested in the wind tunnel to ensure maximum performance. Then there's the suspension. Oh, the suspension. This is not your ordinary coil spring setup. The GTD features a sophisticated multi-link rear suspension with an inboard pushrod system, meaning the coil springs and dampers are mounted horizontally, closer to the center line of the car. This innovative design not only reduces unsprung weight, but also allows for greater packaging efficiency and improved suspension geometry. And here's the kicker. It has a semi-active dual coilover suspension system with variable spring rates. What does that mean? It means the car can adapt its suspension stiffness on the fly, allowing it to transition from a relatively compliant street mode to a rock-solid track mode, all at the push of a button. This level of sophistication is usually reserved for full-blown race cars, not something you can buy at your local dealership. The ride height is also adjustable, further enhancing its versatility on both track and road. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. It's a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, but this isn't just any Coyote engine. This is a specially developed, high-revving version targeting over 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, over 800 horsepower from a production Ford engine. This motor is designed to breathe fire, to scream its way to a red line that would make lesser engines tremble. It's mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transaxle, mounted at the rear of the vehicle for optimal weight distribution. This transaxle isn't just about lightning-fast shifts. It's about putting that immense power down to the ground efficiently and reliably. The entire powertrain is designed for extreme endurance, capable of withstanding the rigors of track day after track day. The sound? Oh, the sound is glorious. It's a symphony of mechanical aggression, a guttural roar that sends shivers down your spine. It's a sound that promises unadulterated performance and delivers on that promise with every blip of the throttle. Braking is equally paramount when you're dealing with this level of power. The GTD is equipped with massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, a system designed to withstand extreme heat and provide consistent fade-free stopping power lap after lap. These aren't just big rotors. They're engineered for maximum cooling and efficiency, ensuring that you can confidently haul this beast down from triple-digit speeds repeatedly without any loss of performance. The tires are equally important, and the GTD rides on massive Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, specifically designed for track use, providing unparalleled grip and feedback. The wide stance, the aggressive camber settings, every element works in harmony to give the driver ultimate control and confidence. One of the most fascinating aspects of the GTD is its sheer attention to detail regarding weight distribution. The transaxle at the rear, the inboard suspension, the carbon fiber body panels, all of these contribute to an almost perfect 50-50 weight balance. This is crucial for handling, allowing the car to pivot around its center with incredible agility and predictability. It's this meticulous engineering that transforms the GTD from a powerful straight-line missile into a devastatingly effective corner-carving machine. It's a testament to the fact that power is nothing without control, and the GTD has control in spades. What are the advantages of such a machine? The advantages are numerous and compelling. First and foremost, it offers an unparalleled driving experience. The visceral connection to the road, the immediate response to every input, the intoxicating sound. It's an automotive symphony that few cars can rival. It's a car that truly involves the driver, demanding skill and rewarding precision. Secondly, it's a testament to engineering excellence. The GTD is a showcase of cutting-edge technology and innovative design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a production vehicle. It's a vehicle that will undoubtedly inspire future generations of performance cars. Thirdly, it's an exclusive machine. With a limited production run and a premium price tag, the GTD is a collector's item from day one. It's a car that will hold its value and become a highly sought-after piece of automotive history. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, it's an incredibly capable track weapon. It's a car that can legitimately compete with, and often outperform, purpose-built race cars on the circuit, all while being completely road legal. That's an advantage that cannot be overstated. Let's talk about some interesting facts, because the GTD is full of them. Did you know that much of the GTD's development took place at the legendary Nürburgring Nordschleife, the ultimate proving ground for performance cars? Ford engineers spent countless hours pushing the car to its limits on this notoriously challenging track, honing its dynamics and fine-tuning every aspect of its performance. This isn't just a car that looks fast. It's a car that has been rigorously tested and refined in the most demanding environments imaginable. Another fascinating tidbit is the level of integration between the race program and the road car development. The same engineers who are working on the GT3 race car are also heavily involved in the GTD project, ensuring that the lessons learned on the track are directly applied to the road car. This symbiotic relationship is what truly differentiates the GTD from other performance vehicles. It's not just a homage to racing, it's a direct product of it. And finally, the name GTD itself. While it evokes the GT3 race car, the D in GTD signifies Daytona, a nod to the Daytona 24-hour race, a true test of endurance and performance. It's a subtle yet powerful acknowledgement of its racing pedigree and the relentless pursuit of victory. The interior of the GTD is also a blend of race car functionality and road car comfort, albeit with a heavy emphasis on performance. You'll find lightweight Recaro seats designed to hold you firmly in place during aggressive cornering, a performance-oriented steering wheel with paddle shifters, and a digital instrument cluster that prioritizes vital performance data. While it retains some creature comforts, the focus is clearly on the driving experience, on minimizing distractions and maximizing driver engagement. Every control is ergonomically placed. Every surface is designed to enhance the driving experience. It's a cockpit designed for battle, but one where you'll feel comfortable and confident pushing the limits. The GTD isn't just a car, it's a philosophy, a statement, and a promise. It's a promise that Ford is committed to pushing the boundaries of performance, to delivering vehicles that ignite the senses and stir the soul. It's a statement that American muscle cars are evolving, embracing cutting-edge technology and engineering to compete on a global stage with the very best. And it's a philosophy that true performance comes from a holistic approach, where every component, every system, works in perfect harmony to achieve a singular goal: speed, precision, and an unforgettable driving experience. In a world where cars are increasingly becoming appliances, the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD stands as a defiant roar, a glorious rebellion against conformity. It's a reminder of what happens when passion, engineering prowess, and an unwavering commitment to performance converge. It's a vehicle that will be talked about for generations, a benchmark against which all future performance cars will be measured. It's not just a car, it's an experience, an emotion, a living legend. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our deep dive into the incredible 2025 Ford Mustang GTD. What an absolute marvel of engineering. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us, learning about this truly special machine. If you loved this video, please show us some love by hitting that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to AutoDrive Motion for more thrilling automotive content. And as always, we want to hear from you, so leave a comment below and tell us what you think of the GTD. Your engagement truly helps our channel grow. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, right here on AutoDrive Motion.